India's railways under the Ministry of Railways has emerged as one of the world's most extensively electrified rail networks, with about 99.2% of its broad gauge network electrified by November 2025. The ambitious Mission 100% electrification is transforming the nation's rail system from a diesel-dependent network into a fast, efficient, and environmentally sustainable backbone of transport. Beyond modernization, this mission reduces pollution, strengthens energy security, and reflects India's commitment to a cleaner infrastructure while supporting faster, greener, and more reliable train operations. India's railway electrification story began in 1925 when the country's first electric train, powered by 1500-volt DC system, ran between Bombay Victoria Terminus and Kurla Harbour. It was a short route but a historic leap, the first operational use of electric train in India, signaling the dawn of energy-efficient, higher-capacity rail travel. Over the years, electrification expanded steadily, but the real transformation took shape over the last decade when Indian Railways intensified its push toward cleaner and more efficient operations. The impact has been remarkable as the country's centuries-long journey is approaching its finish line, with 99.2% of India's 70,001 RKM broad gauge network already electrified. Indian Railways stand on the threshold of complete electrification, marking a transformative achievement, sustainable, efficient, and future-ready rail transport. Bureau Report News Now.